Kanwa etam anena uni waitini lu Iburaete Epeera kech lo mamukesi edumutose be ada unikaru akaisangon anokany apotulusek Eswamatos East African Community otuko kinos osemerolo Soroti Central Secondary School oibuga Soroti Apollo Kinton atukotona adukuntos Eswamak East African Community Workers Association John Santos Labeja ngesi ikeonetebe emame ibor edumuntos kesi agiaunne ebirorori eriongetelo okarule lukumite dope akwata kanyangon akaisa kanyare kadai kanyare kitoni isawana lu
empty handed. Now 45 years down the road, we have not been facilitated in terms of our pension, which is covered under the East African Community Pension Act number 11, the regulations regarding our transport, our allowances, our leave, and severance allowances covered under the regulations of the then East African Community. None was given to us. But today, we have realized over 63 who have come. But there are many more who are suffering. They cannot even move. Some are just dying. Others have died. The letters of administration is very difficult to be processed by their children, their wives, and so we are still pleading that let all these people be helped, so that letters of administration are processed very fast by the courts, the Administrator General's office, so that these people access the benefits of their departed breadwinners. Then they go and process all the files from public service and they take to the Office of East African Community Affairs.
Ichamuntos lucheda Eswamak East African Community be aninikari ejare kanu ayapana Epeera kech.
Eswamak East African Community station in Nairobi. Department Law Director of Civil Aviation. Again, a Bureau of East African Community of Karla Kasa Kanyar 1977. Mami Tachita so benefits costly. Isi jar sone. Dodo kwana jaitemono kineta no kwana tabaka sa swam o Kampala. And was like claiming for our benefits of Kampala.
So I was a clerical assistant, 1974 to 1977, 30th of June. Upon ever wrote a check up, Kawali. Konya check up with the
as well as graphics and do make a chair with your major. Look on my room to pencil. I am like a pack. Dero kutuni luatos dumutoda etegani anijapo apugani lipitose ilele bakia pali teria mneti porokolo moira kere poni doro kwani kiona safi ada utapuganda bega kiegore akiepese.
Kanuka TV East Charles Abraham Akol Oibuga Soroti.